Okay, one thing I didn't see is the color. In one post I think you said you use hexadecimals, so I don't know if I don't see that. I do like how you're wording things already. There's always something special. I mean, some of these things, word-wise, a lot of students have issues. There's a spelling mistake where it says delicious, and so forth. But definitely check that out as you're working with that. Um, so, handcrafted burger and fries. Love that little slogan up there. But make sure you use handcrafted correctly. And one you have it as one word. Here you have two words. So make sure you keep it consistent on that. Now, with that said, let's look at your coding. Here's your home page. And up here at the top, okay, it looks great. I am not sure why you're doing a style like this. We don't put styles in the body tag like this. It would go in the head section only. And when you do that, that only applies it to that page itself. So let's open up your style sheet real quick. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the style sheet to the side because in brackets you have an option for left and right. And let me close these other pages real quick. Okay, and so what you can do is you can work with one versus the other. So now on your style sheet here, I notice there's an extra bracket down there, so I want to delete that extra bracket. So like here, what I would do is I would move these styles over into your style sheet. And I'm just putting some extra returns in to make it easier to look and read. Okay, and that means it's going to apply this to every page. It's going to align it to the center and so forth. So we definitely, if you don't do that, it has to go up in the head section. So we're going to delete that. Okay, article. Same thing with style. So here you got your curly braces not incorrect. You got it incorrectly there. So you would add a style down here. I'm just adding some extra returns. So you would add a P and then font hyphen family. Now we typically will do, if some computers don't have Arial, we'll have it say like sans serif for a serif font for that purpose. Okay, and so we're deleting that. Again, we want to apply it in our style sheet to make it easier. Now with our break tags, what you want to do is you want to put a BR space slash. BR space slash. Now, if you're doing like this, like email list, see that to me is like a heading. So to me, this you wouldn't have to use a break tag if you went in and you did like for example H3, because H3 bolds it and makes it a certain size. Okay, so something to think about. Now this down here, this paragraph here, you are missing a paragraph symbol, so you have to have that to close it. And you don't need to have an extra break here because you have a paragraph here. So it automatically adds that extra return. Okay, so you got nested if or nested list. Okay, so I'm going to assume so any changes we make in the you want to double check on the about page as well to make sure everything's set up. It doesn't look like you have the styles added like that. So now what's great about this external style sheet, then this will automatically apply the center align to that and also apply font family. Typically, you probably want to go in instead of with the paragraph tag, you probably you control the font family for the whole content. And a lot of times what you'll do is you'll up here at the top, you'll type in body, and this will apply a default font for everything. You can override it by applying it to a specific font. So you might do that